Hey, what is going on everyone? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the NVIDIA RTX Voice on your non-20 series graphics card or RTX graphics card. So first thing you need to do is just go to google.com and type what you see here on the screen, which I'm gonna highlight. Download NVIDIA RTX Voice, scroll down and go to the official NVIDIA page with a setup guide, which is here. So once here, all you got to do is scroll down. There's a lot of information here that you are probably not interested in. So scroll down and go to the setup guide section. And on the first step here is going to give you the link for you to download the application. So hit that. Then you're going to have the option for you to save the file. I've already done that, so I'm going to skip over this. And basically what you're going to get once you download it, you're going to get this file, this executable file. So go ahead and execute it. And what that's gonna do is dump a lot of files into your temporary folder, which we need to go to later on to make the modification or the bypass. So let's wait for the executable to come up, and we're gonna see the error message that you will be getting if you don't have an RTX card. So there you have it. That's the error message that you are going to be getting if you don't have a 20 series RTX NVIDIA graphics card. So just go ahead and close this. We're going to do the bypass now by following the next steps. So now you're going to need to go to your C drive, / and then temp. Just like you see it here, C drive, column, / and then temp. Hit enter. And you might have a lot of other files or folders here, but the only folder that you need to be focusing on is this one here that's called the NVIDIA RTX Voice. Open that. I'm gonna make this bigger here. So here you're gonna have the executable, which we'll need to execute manually once we do the bypass. So first, to do the bypass, we need to go to the NVIDIA folder. And here we're gonna have the file of interest. We need to make some modification to this file. And for us to make those modifications in a way that's easy for you to follow, just go to your start menu and type Notepad. Highlight Notepad and do a right click and select and run as an administrator. Now go back to the folder. Go ahead and copy the path. Go back to Notepad and go to Open. Paste the path, press enter, and there you have it. You have the folder where the file that needs to be modified is at. So you're not gonna be able to see it immediately due to the fact that Notepad is gonna try to look for a text file. And you can see that here. It's trying to look for a text document file, which we don't want. Just hit the drop down and select all files. Now you're gonna have the file that we need. Just highlight it or select it and open it. Let me make this bigger here. So you're gonna need to look for this section here that says constraint, and you're gonna need to delete it. Just make sure that you delete the opening, the entire constraint section, which has the opening tag and the closing tag, nothing else. Just go ahead and hit delete. Go ahead and save it. You can close this already. And now back on the folder, let's go back to the executable and let's execute it manually. So here you have it. Now you're gonna be able to install the RTX Voice application on your computer, even though you don't have an RTX graphics card. Just keep in mind that I've been doing this testing on my 10 series graphics card. I have a 1080 graphics card. I'm not sure if this is gonna work on a 900 series or maybe a 700 series. So if that is what you're using, just give it a try. Just follow the steps here and hopefully it's gonna work for you too. So I've already had the application installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this and I'll show you now how to set it up and how to configure your streaming application like OBS to basically make use of this application. So here, once you install the application, you're gonna have this come up automatically, and you have two options here, or two sections, if you will. One of them is the input device and the other one is the output device. By default, both of them will be set to default. So this one here will be on default and this check is going to be unchecked. So the input device is pretty much your microphone and the output device is going to be your speakers. I'm not in the need of applying these to my speakers for the moment, so I'm not using that. So you can give it a try. But what I'm actually using is the input device to optimize my microphone, my audio experience when it comes to the background noise or any other weird stuff that might be caused by your microphone. So here you're gonna want to scroll down or hit the drop down and select your microphone on the input device. In my case, it's a blue snowball. I select that and then you need to shut this in and set the levels of noise suppression. So just to show you the difference, hopefully you're gonna be able to notice it. Let me go ahead and uncheck this and see if you can catch any difference. All right, so this is the audio without any suppression to it. And this is the audio now, again, with the suppression to it. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to catch any difference. So that's all you need to do here. Just close it and that's gonna be running in the background as you can see here. So now you're gonna wanna go to your OBS. I'm gonna drag it here on the main window. Let me just move this. And just go to your settings. Then go to the audio section. And here on devices where it says mic for microphone, just make sure that you have it selected, that you have the NVIDIA RTX Voice selected. If you check what's here, you're gonna have a lot of options, including your microphone. So you don't wanna select your microphone directly, otherwise basically you're not gonna experience any difference. So you need to select the logical device that's created by the RTX Voice. Select that and then hit OK. And basically that's all you need to do. So let me show you that I don't have any kind of filters going on here. So I don't have any sort of filters reducing the background noise, so nothing applied to it. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you find it helpful, and please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.